My name's Tammy Severino, and I am the President and CEO of Girl Scouts of Suffolk County. We have held the show for 19 years, so it is a mainstay on Long Island. We are the only show that is done on the island that benefits a nonprofit. It's our largest fundraiser. This is just something that is warm and inviting and engaging and allows people to come and really appreciate the magic of holiday season in whatever it means to them. We did need a professional company to come in and provide us with some of the displays that would really bring some visual power and pop to the show. Holiday Outdoor Decor was just wonderful. They were very easy to work with in terms of the white glove service, the assistance with setting up the show. They came when they said they would come. We were given lots of options and were able to pick things that we knew would appeal to the demographic that comes through our show. When the show is done, they'll come once the items are turned off and taken down, and they will bring them back. Anything that needs any repairs will be handled, and they'll store them for us and bring it back same bat time, same bat station next year. For our purposes, we would like to own more of them. It is an expensive proposition as a nonprofit. We do need to live by our budget. So what we're doing is a 3-year lease, after which time the displays that we have obtained from Holiday Outdoor Decor will become ours. And that will free up some budget for us if we want to add and grow out the show or bring in some new pieces. We'll have the funds to be able to do that because these pieces will now be part of our in-house collection. Families like mine have been coming as long as the light show's been here, and it's something our children have grown up with. And there are families coming for the first time this year, and hopefully this will become part of their family holiday tradition. So having new displays is definitely important. One of the things we do as part of our Girl Scout engagement contest annually, where girls can submit designs for a display, and it can either be a submission by a single girl, a group, or an entire troop can contribute together. And our in-house team brings them to life, which is always remarkable to me. I'm in awe of their abilities. It's just a really lovely addition that our Girl Scouts who win and all of our Girl Scouts look forward to seeing as they go through the show. I think having the combination of stationary light displays and animated lighting displays just adds to the visual appeal and the magic that people experience as they're going through. That to me is one of my favorite parts. From Holiday Outdoor Decor, we have a bell that is underneath mistletoe and chiming back and forth. Even this beautiful display being animated, it just brings it more to life. So I love the combination of the animated with the still. We're grateful to have our partnership with the county, because we are at a county park doing this event, and with our corporate partners who help to make this event possible, and with the community that comes out and shows their support. It's really spread out to really encompass the entire Girl Scout experience and ensure that it's meaningful and helps to raise girls of courage, confidence, and character who make the world a better place.